I want to take a moment this morning to just talk about your health. So, for me personally, I think for 27 years I went to bed. I went to bed very late. Like they say you must sleep healthy for 8 hours. So for me, for 27 years, I didn't go to bed early. I stayed up till the morning hours, neglected my health, my sleep. My grandmother had Alzheimer's just before she passed away, and I believe they say it's important for your health to sleep and rest. So, what I want to share with you guys this morning is that it's important to sleep healthy. So, for 27 years, I didn't sleep healthy. I wanted to stay awake as long as possible, stimulate my mind till the morning hours, watch Bachelor, watch Survivor. But at the end of the day, this is very unhealthy for me and for you guys. So, what I wanted to share is I've made a decision that I'm gonna go to bed at 8 o'clock at night and get up at 4 o'clock at night, and not not damage my body anymore, because I used to stay up till 2 o'clock in the morning hours, sometimes even 3 o'clock or 12 o'clock midnight, and then the next day I used to have huge migraines, and you just end up damaging your body if you don't rest properly. So I've made a decision to sleep healthy, take care of my body, rest better, go to bed at 8, get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and I've been struggling with this for many years, maybe 27 years. I didn't sleep healthy, stayed up till morning hours. So I just want to encourage you guys today to care about your health, start sleeping properly, get 8 hours of sleep, go to bed early, and don't punish your body. Don't let your body suffer just because your mind needs stimulation, just because your mind can't switch off. That's what I struggled with. My mind couldn't switch off, constantly want stimulation for the dopamine in your brain and making yourself happy. But uh, this morning I would just encourage you, look after your health, sleep healthy, go to bed early, stand up early. Just care about your health.